Hello everyone! Yesterday I received some new Pavlovo Posad Shawls from Russia. It's 5 shawls. Well, I'll show you all of them, and I will talk a little bit about the difference and the difference of the fabrics. So if one day you decide to buy one traditional Russian shawl, you will know what to look for. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our scarf. We will start from the smallest scarf. It is 35 by 35 inches wool scarf with a fringe. This scarf I will wear the most of the time, I think. First, because it is a classic parsley design. Second, the colors are not too bright and it can be combined with a lot of my outfits. Third, it has a dark blue border and look great with dark blue jeans. And also, the scarf itself has this pink mauve tone that looks good close to the face. Small stylized flowers hidden in the pattern. Every detail is outlined in black. The wool is very thin and soft. Let's see it in a classic wrap. I love it. And this is how I wore it yesterday. What do you think? Let's see the next shawl. This squared pattern is very unusual for Pavlovo Posad shawls. The fabric is very different from the other scarves. It is much lighter. I would say it looks almost like a cheesecloth. It has some beautiful details. Look at these borders. It looks like shadows here. And this is a classical ornament. There is no fringes. Borders are made by machine. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of fringes. And here, how it looks on a person. I think this color combination works great with my hair. By the way, you can combine any of your Russian shawl with a scarf. Make a band from your shawl, tie one end with the scarf, twist them together, tie another end. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. Et voila! It looks very unusual. Warm and stylish. The next shawl is probably the most beautiful in my collection. A friend sent me a picture wearing this shawl, and at the same moment I knew I must have this shawl too. Believe me, it looks more beautiful in real life than on camera. It has both parsley and floral patterns. Look at these large medallions. Here is the middle of the scarf. Each detail is finely outlined in black. Pretty roses. Look at these details. I can study this pattern for hours. It is so meditative. By the way, if you like these scarves, you can check the links in the description to the same scarves on Etsy. Now let's see how it looks. This is a classic style. You can see how the roses highlight the face. This is a simple headscarf style. Very romantic. The name of the next shawl is Sadko. When I saw this shawl for the first time, I fell in love with this blue color and this border. Some beautiful details. You can see some stylization of the sea waves, a reference to the story of Sadko, a character in a traditional Russian fairy tale. He was an adventurer and musician who traveled by the sea. Well, it's a long story. A lot of small details that I love. The fringe is made from two different shades of blue that match it perfectly to the scarf. The pattern is not as much elaborated as the previous shawl, but it transforms when you wear it. Let's have a look. Et voilà! This is a classic style. See these borders? The last shawl is the biggest in my collection. It is really huge. I fell in love with this ornament made of little medallions. It looks so different from other patterns. This scarf has a lot of small details. Look at those grapes hiding in the bouquet. When you look for a Pavlovo Posad shawl, you need to know that the wool is very thin. And for some reason, it looks even thinner in white shades. It may have something to do with the tint of fabric. This shawl looks very thin. A big star in the middle. Some vines twine around the flowers. An interesting detail, some flowers are outlined in black partially. First I thought that was a defect and I went to the official website to check. But no, this is the part of the design. Lovely turquoise color accents. Incidentally, I have a great video on how to choose a Russian shawl, and I will link it at the end and in the description. The patterns form a huge 4-petal flower. Classic style. Looks beautiful. If you want to know more on Russian traditional shawls, you can watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you next time. Bye!